Want to experience the quirky adventures of Ness and his friends on your iPhone? I'm going to show you exactly how to play the classic SNES game EarthBound on your phone, so that you can experience this game anywhere. First things first, you'll need a SNES Emulator. Head over to the App Store and search for SNES Emulator. Be aware that official emulators are often removed from the App Store, so the availability of these apps may change if you cannot find one from the App Store. Skip ahead to the web emulator method. Once you've found and installed a suitable emulator, open the app. You'll likely need to grant it permissions to access your files. Now, for the game itself, you'll need to find a ROM file of EarthBound. A ROM file is essentially a digital copy of the game. Important note: obtaining ROM files from the internet may involve copyright infringement depending on your region. Please do your research about the legality in your area. Once you have the ROM file, save it to your iPhone's files, preferably in an easy-to-find folder. Head back to your emulator. Most emulators have a load ROM or open game option. Navigate to the folder where you saved your EarthBound ROM and select it. And that's it. EarthBound should now be running on your iPhone. The emulator will usually provide on-screen touch controls. Spend some time customizing the touch controls to your preferences. Get ready to dive into the world of EarthBound. Anytime, anywhere. Happy gaming!